Here are 5 tactics used by playboys to turn a girl's initial disinterest into attraction. But first, let me give a disclaimer. Being a playboy is definitely not a good thing, and it's something you should avoid if you're committed to becoming a high-value man. However, I believe there are some cool principles that playboys follow, which you can adapt and apply to your life. These principles don't just help make girls like you, but they also help you become a better, more confident man. Let's get started. 1. You're not responsible for making everyone like you. If you've been following the tips I frequently share on this channel, focusing on yourself, working out, learning new skills, and creating something of value, I'm sure you've already transformed into a cool guy, a high-value man. But even though you've improved yourself, that doesn't mean every girl will automatically like you. Whether someone likes you or not is a matter of personal taste, and you're not responsible for making everyone like you. Hold on to this principle. It will boost your confidence, free you from the burden of other people's opinions, and, most importantly, it will make your life happier. This is a principle playboys often live by. They always seem confident, no matter how beautiful, rich, or high status the girl they're interacting with is. They don't care. They stay confident. If a girl doesn't like you, even after you've become a high-value man, it's not your fault and not your responsibility anymore. It just means she has bad taste. Remember, a cool guy is destined only for cool girls. 2. The show must go on. This is one of the coolest playboy principles. No matter what happens, life goes on. This means you need to stay calm in any situation. For example, if you like a girl and she doesn't like you back, you should never appear nervous in front of her. No matter how you feel, remain composed when talking to her. Live your life as usual, without changing anything, as if you have no idea she's not interested in you. Stay casual, but don't be cold or distant. Keep talking to her as you normally would, and act the same way you always have around her. By holding on to the principle that the show must go on, you become a man who remains calm even in awkward or uncomfortable situations. And this is what makes you attractive and charismatic to girls. They'll find your ability to stay unbothered and confident irresistible. 3. Take it or leave it. If you know that a girl doesn't like you, you'll face a choice. Either keep pursuing her or move on to someone else. There's no wrong choice here. The only mistake is not making a decision and leaving yourself stuck in limbo. For example, if you want to keep approaching a girl who isn't interested, but you don't take action and instead appear nervous or awkward around her, that's where the problem lies. As a man, you need to be decisive. If you want to pursue her, do it. If you want to walk away, then walk away. In life, you will always face choices. Take it or leave it. If you want to turn a girl's disinterest into attraction, you must be confident in your decision. Don't back down. Ask her out even if you know she doesn't like you yet, and be ready for whatever happens. 4. The best compliment is honesty. Once you're sure about your decision and genuinely want to change a girl's mind from disliking to liking you, the next step is making your move. Invite her out, whether it's for dinner or a movie. When you're spending time together, show her your honesty. This is a principle that playboys often use. Complimenting a girl with sincerity. The best compliments come from being truthful. For example, you could say something like, "Dinner at this place is really great, especially with you." Or, "I'm glad we're watching this movie together." Compliments rooted in honesty will sound more genuine to her. At this point, you're subtly letting her know that you're into her. Now, all you have to do is wait for her response to see if she feels the same way. 5. Rejection is part of life. If you followed through with step 4, you'll have reached a point where you know her decision. If she still rejects you and tells you she's not interested, congratulations. You've learned one of life's most valuable lessons. That lesson is called rejection. and it's an experience that can make you stronger and tougher for the future. If you can accept rejection, lift your head high and move on to another girl, all while continuing to focus on self-improvement. Your chances of finding the right girl will be much greater if you can move on rather than wallowing in sadness or blaming fate. You know that playboys don't get upset when they face rejection. They quickly move on and approach someone else. This is how playboys manage to attract many girls. But let me remind you again, the principles I've shared from playboys in this video can help you become a better man if you adapt them for positive purposes, not to mimic the harmful behaviors of playboys like manipulating or hurting girls. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.